Hi everyone, welcome to goldfries, and in this video we have a look at the glorious Model O-. Now the Model O- retails at RM235 for the white and the black matte model. It also comes with glossy surface that retails at a higher price tag. Over in the US, the matte models retails at around US 50. And even the glossy black is at US 50, while I saw that the glossy white is the one at US 60. Now, price tag aside, this mouse is a shrunken version of the Model O, slightly shrunken. Honeycomb open surface, whatever you call this, even at the bottom. Small but smooth flowing mouse feet. RGB LED, of which you can control through the software. The software, however, is optional. I, for example, use the mouse right out of the box, set it to the lowest DPI, which is at 400, and it works perfectly. I totally enjoyed this mouse. It fits perfectly for my small hands, and I like the lightweight nature of it. So if you have a medium or big size hand, or you prefer something of greater mass or weight, this is not the mouse for you. But this is definitely the mouse for me. I really like it. The DPI indicator at the bottom serves no purpose, but what I like most about this mouse is the soft braided cables. Unlike the usual braided cables that cause some tension around, the non-braided cables here are so flexible that it makes it easy to move the mouse. You don't feel any tension as you game along. In fact, it's so sloped at the front. When I was using it, it's the first time that I realized that I'm quite often, when I do huge movements, I tend to knock at the keyboard and it registers the click and it fires, which is not a good thing when you're playing games like Apex Legends that kind of give away your position. Now, at this price tag, over here in Malaysia is about RM235, which is double the price of an affordable mouse like the TechWare Vector Pro, which is the mouse I'm using before I jump to this one. That one is slightly bigger. It's not ambidextrous. It's not honeycomb surface, so you may feel a bit of a sweat accumulation and such. So in the end, it all boils down to you. This one may cost a fair bit, but it is such a good mouse to use. I will wholeheartedly recommend it to anyone who is looking for a small size mouse with or without lights, but more importantly, comfortable to use. So that's it for me about this glorious Model O-. I'm giving it a gold badge. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Bye bye.